Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of second problem from exercise 10.4 from circles chapter from NCERT class 9. The problem is if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other chord. We know that a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So let O be the center of the circle, and here AB and CD are equal chords which are intersecting at E point. So here two equal chords. So AB is equal to, these two chords are equal. So AB is equal to CD, and prove that the segments of one chord. We know that a segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. So the segments of one chord means AE and EB are the segments of this chord, and CE and DE are the segments of this chord. So here we have to prove that AE is equal to CE, and second one BE is equal to DE. So first draw perpendiculars from the center of the circle to the chords AB and CD. OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD, and join O and E points. First we have to prove that AE is equal to CE. So AE we can write as AM plus ME, and CE we can write as CN plus NE. So if you can prove AM is equal to CN and ME is equal to NE, then we can say that AE is equal to CE. So first take AM and CN. For that we know that AB is equal to CD. These two chords are equal, that is given in the problem. So half of AB is equal to half of CD. So here half of AB is AM. So AM is equal to, here half of CD is CN. So AM is equal to CN. We know that a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. So here AM is equal to BM and CN is equal to ND. So we can say that AM is equal to CN. This is first equation. So we have proved that AM is equal to CN. Now we have to prove that ME is equal to NE. So ME here is this part, this segment, and NE is this segment. So we have to prove that these two line segments are equal. So for that, if you observe here, these two line segments are sides of these two triangles. So take these two triangles. If you congruent these two triangles, then we can equal these two sides. So first mark the equal parts of these two triangles. We know that this is the perpendicular line, and here it is a perpendicular line. So this is a right angle and this is a hypotenuse, and same like that this is right angle and this is hypotenuse, and OM is equal to ON, because we know that equal chords are equidistant from the center. So these two distances are equal. So in triangle OME and triangle ONE, take this triangle. Angle OME is equal to angle ONE. These two angles are equal, right angles, and OE is equal to OE. This is hypotenuse, and this is a common side of these two triangles. So these two are equal, and OM is equal to ON, because equal chords AB is equal to CD, that is given in the problem. So equal chords are equidistant from the center. So these two lengths are equal. OM is equal to ON. So right angle hypotenuse side of this triangle are equal to right angle hypotenuse side of this triangle. So we can congruent these two triangles by RHS congruence rule. Therefore triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. Therefore ME is equal to EN by CPCT. So from this is second equation. So from 1 and 2, AM plus ME is equal to CN plus NE. So AM plus ME is AE. So AE is equal to CN plus NE is CE. So CE. So AE is equal to CE. Now we have to prove that BE is equal to DE, and BE we can write as BM minus ME, and DE we can write as DN minus NE. So if you can prove these two are equal and these two are equal, then we can equal these two line segment BE and DE. We know that BM is equal to DN because the perpendicular lines drawn from the center bisects the chord, and the chords are equal. AB and CD are equal. So half of AB is equal to half of CD. Therefore BM is equal to DN, and ME is equal to NG. Just now we have proved that these two line segments are equal. This is second equation, and this is third equation. From 3 and 2, we can say that Bm minus Me is equal to Dn minus Ne. So Bm minus Me is Be, so Be is equal to De. Now do this exercise. Here are the answers.